Well, they finally admitted it. So we've all known that this algorithm just seems to never make sense. You always see people saying, here's the secret to going viral and all this. And 100 people could follow that exact formula that they did, and they're not going to go viral like the original creator. The algorithm makes no sense. It makes no sense. The employees can choose to boost a video and make it go viral. And they've admitted to suppressing people who maybe aren't as attractive or aren't as funny, or maybe if their opinions don't align. They've admitted they have suppressed some videos like that and not shown it on the For You page. So this all just goes to say, be you, provide value, build a community, help people. And that's going to be the secret to scaling on this app. Don't focus on creating viral worthy content. Just post good content and the rest will shake out.